friends, welcome back to my channel Eng.Sayyad Auto Academy. Today we are going to learn about engine technical characteristics of Chery and Eng.Sayyad engines. Next. The second generation engine technicals highlights continue to electronic control VGT turbocharger. This is 1.6 engine or 1.5C revised engine in second generation. Okay, the first generation as a natural aspirated, and the second generation first category engine is normal natural aspirated, and second category engine is turbocharged engine. It has a variable geometric turbo or waste gate valve turbo, not variable geometric turbo, it's a waste gate valve type. Okay, electronically controlled waste gate turbocharger. It has waste gate valve type turbocharger. WGT means waste gate valve type turbocharger. DVVT, it has a dual variable valve timing in second generation second category engine. Okay, it has a electronic thermostat. The thermostat valve is not wax type, it has a electronically operated thermostat valve. Okay, the third one is 3 coolant temperature sensor control. It has a 3 coolant temperature sensor controls. Okay, in second generation second category. Okay, the high energy ignition system. The ignition coil is a high energy single distribution. Okay, wide range of oxygen sensor. Wide range of oxygen sensor it has, and the oil pump module it has. Fuel vapor leakage detection function it has. Is there any leak of fuel system? It can detect itself. It has a module inside to detector. Okay, fuel leak detector. Okay, this engine code is SQRE, the Chery. E second generation, 4 cylinder. T means turbocharged engine, and 1.5 liter. C means revised. Before one is second generation first category engine is naturally aspirated normal engine. This engine is revised engine 1.5 liter turbocharged with DVVT, dual overhead cam, with WGT waste gate valve type turbo. Okay, there are many updation in revised engine in second category. Okay, next, the second generation engine second category engine, the engine parameters are: the displacement of engine is 1.5 liter 1500 cc. The stroke length is 77 to 80.5 mm. The cylinder block inline 4 cylinder, same, we have only 4 cylinder inline engines, we don't have more bigger than that. 6 cylinder we don't have, we only using in Chery 4 cylinder until now. Okay, it has a 4 inline 4 cylinder, and the cylinder block is made by what? Again the cast iron. The first category is made by cast aluminium. This second category is made by cast iron, and the cylinder head is made by cast aluminium, same in all. First generation also same, second generation also same. Okay, compression ratio increased again, 9.5:1. It means 9.5% of air and 1% of fuel. It's a perfect fuel mixture, air fuel mixture to burn, and perfect compression ratio. The valve mechanism, it's a DOHC, dual overhead cam shafts, 16 valves, because 2 camshafts there, per camshaft has 16 valves, and DVVT, dual variable valve timing system. Okay, the ignition system independent, SDLI, single distributor less ignition system, independent ignition. Every cylinder has a separate ignition coils, independent ignition. The fuel supply is manifold injection. It is again back. The before one is directly on the cylinder injection. Now this is manifold injection. The fuel will be spray on the manifold. Then it will go in the combustion chamber. Okay. Intake type is a turbocharged. It has a turbocharger. Okay. Old engine has only naturally aspirated. There is no turbocharged. There is no supercharged. Okay, the intercooled type engine is water cooled. Still it is water cooled engine. The power output of the engine 115 115 kilowatt power generates at 5500 rpm, and maximum torque it generates 230 Nm torque at 1500 rpm to 4000 rpm. And emission standard, it has national 6 Euro 6 emission standard it holds. The previous one national 4, the first category of second generation engine. The second category of second generation engine holds national 6. This third generation engine specification highlights. Third generation engine, electronically controlled VGT turbo system. It has VGT, means like I said before one is WGT and this one is VGT. VGT is meant variable geometric turbo. The first one is wastegate valve type turbo and this one is variable geometric turbo. And second thing, direct injection in cylinder technology. It has a direct injection, not manifold injection. Direct injection in cylinder in the combustion chamber. IHEC combustion system. It has a separate specified IHEC newly introduced IHEC combustion system. It has a dual DVVT, dual variable valve timing system, and it has a 2-stage variable displacement oil pump. Oil pump has a 2-stage variable displacement, the more powerful. Okay. And rapid warm-up thermal management system. It has a rapid warm-up thermal management system in third generation. And 90 megajoules high energy ignition system. The ignition system is more higher version of the last generation. Okay. The electromagnetic clutch water pump. It has an electromagnetic operated clutch operated water pump. Normally we see the manual pump which rotates by engine belt, the drive belts. Okay. The electromagnetic clutch water pump, there are 2 types of engine in third generation. The first type SQRE Cherry F third generation 4-cylinder turbocharged direct cylinder injection 1.6 liter engine, 1600 cc. The second category SQRF Cherry F third generation 4-cylinder direct cylinder injection 2 liter engine. One is 1.6, 2 engines has 1.6 and 2 liter, 1600 cc and 2000 cc. 2 different engines in third generation. Next, we will see the difference between both 1.6 liter engine and 2 liter engine. What are the engine specifications? Okay. The displacement of engine in 1.6 liter engine, this is 1.6 liter first engine, it means 1600 cc. The second category is a 2 liter engine, 2000 cc. The stroke length of the engines are 1.6 liter engine 77 into 85.8 mm, in 2 liter engine 80.5 into 98 mm. The cylinder block is a cast aluminum in 1.6 and the 2 liter engine also same. Cylinder block made up by both engines are cast aluminum. The cylinder head made in same cast aluminum and cast aluminum 1.6 to 2 liter both. The compression ratio in 1.6 9.9:1. The 9.9% of air and 1% of fuel in 1.6. In 2 liter engine is 10.2:1. 10.2% of air and 1% of fuel. Okay. The valve mechanism in the 1.6 dual overhead cam and the 16 volt DVVT in 1.6 engine, dual overhead cam 16 volt, dual variable valve timing. In 2 liter same, DOHC dual overhead cam 16 volt, dual variable timing. And the ignition system in 1.6 independent and 2 liter also independent, SDLI system in both engines same. The fuel supply in 1.6 direct injection in cylinder, both engines are same, direct injection cylinder injection, direct injection in cylinder, both are same. The intake type, both engine has a turbocharge. The intake air type is managed by the turbocharger. The cooling type, the 16 cylinder engine is air cooled. The air intake system has an intercooler to cool the air. Okay, both has a air cooled because it has a turbocharger. Wherever the turbocharger, it has an intercooler there. Okay. The next, the 1.6 liter engine power outputs 145 kilowatt power in 5500 rpm. 2 liter engine generates 187 kilowatt power 5500 to 6000 rpm. The maximum torque it generates in 1.6 liter, 290 Nm torque, 2000 to 4000 Nm 2000 to 4000 rpm, and 370 Nm torque, 1750 to 4000 rpm. And the emission standards, the both engine holds, the 1.6 engine holds national 6 and the 2 liter engine holds national 6. Both are Euro 6 emission standards it has. Okay, understand? The next,